Welcome to Bright Mode YouTube channel. In this video it's all about some crazy and unknown facts. 1. You should always wear nice shoes, because they are the first thing that people subconsciously notice about you. 2. If you sit for more than 11 hours a day, there is a great chance, about 50%, that you will die within the next 3 years. 3. There are at least 6 people all around the world who look exactly like you. The chances of meeting one of them in your lifetime are 9%. 4. Sleeping without a pillow will reduce your back pain and will keep your spine stronger as well. 5. The height of a person is determined by their father, and their weight is determined by their mother. 6. If sometimes a part of your body falls asleep, you can almost always wake it up by shaking your head. 7. Food, attractive people, and danger are the 3 things that the human brain cannot resist noticing. 8. People that are right-handed tend to chew on their right side. 9. Putting dry tea bags in gym bags or smelly shoes will help you with absorbing the unpleasant odor. 10. Albert Einstein stated that if honeybees were to disappear from the earth one day, we would be dead within 4 years. 11. There are a lot of types of apples that if you eat a new one every day, it will take you over 20 years in order to try them all. 12. We can survive without eating for weeks, but we can only live 11 days without sleeping. 13. Those people who laugh a lot are healthier than those who don't. 14. Laziness and inactivity can kill just as many people as smoking can. 15. The human brain has the capacity to store 5 times as much as information as Wikipedia can. 16. Our brain uses the same amount of power as a 10-watt light bulb. 17. Our body has the ability to give enough heat in 30 minutes to boil 1.5 liters of water. 18. The largest cell is the ovum egg. 19. The stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve razor blades. 20. Smile, because it is the ultimate antidepressant. Now you can subscribe the channel by giving a smile.